Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to adjust monitor or a screen refresh rate in Windows 10 PC. The refresh rate of a monitor is the number of times per second that the image refreshes on the screen. A higher refresh rate can improve your gaming experience by reducing motion blur and screen tearing, while lowering your refresh rate can save battery power. In this video, we will show you two methods to adjust a screen refresh rate in Windows 10 PC. First one method is through settings app and the another one is through command prompt. So let me begin with the first one option, that is settings app. For that, right click on this one a start button and select here settings. Under settings, click on this one system. In the left, display will be selected by default. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one advanced display settings link. On the right, in case you are using multiple monitor, you can select the monitor you want to adjust the refresh rate and scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find a drop down menu that is refresh rate. In case your PC supports multiple refresh rate, click on this one drop down menu and select a higher or lower according to your preferences. After that, close this one settings app, and this one next and that next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one a start button and type here cmd. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry and select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Now command prompt with administrative privilege will be opened. Here you need to copy and paste this one command that you can find in this video description also. Run dll32.exe space display.dll comma space show adapter settings. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will open properties window. Here switch to this one monitor tab, and here under monitor settings section you will find a drop down menu that says a screen refresh rate. Click on this one drop down menu and select a screen refresh rate of your choice and your needs that can be fulfilled by this one refresh rate. After selecting a refresh rate, click on this one apply and then OK button, and without restarting your PC, new refresh rate will be applied to your Windows 10. That's all about this video. Bye.